Even the kangaroos look miserable. Got cattle down here. And this is what we've had all day. All dams are full anyway. Oi! So it's wet, as you can see, and cold. We've haven't been able to do anything all day. Look at that. Stuck inside all day, going mad. I said to Joe, we've got to do something this afternoon. So then we've got the owl hanging up there. Another one hanging over there. I've got rubber snakes hanging from the roof. This is where we keep the cars, or Joe's car. Mine stays out in the carport, but the little finches get in here. They're only about this big. There's a nest up there above the roller door. I don't mind them up there. You can see that. But when they sit on the beams here, they shit on the cars. A pain in the backside. Rosie's down here hunting mice. She loves it. Where's the mouse? Where's the mouse? Did you find him? Where is he? My dirty reloading bench. Safes. So yeah, this is what I'm resorted to today. Cooking on the old Weber. Got some beads in there. Get them going. All the smoke's blowing out the door, so that's alright. Got a bit of shit in the floor here. We've been painting the house. Most of it's done now. Come up alright. A lot better than it was. Getting into that. Looks good. A lot better than it was anyway. It never used to match. There's dog pens and a chook shed and stuff, but yeah. Look at that. Jade only mowed the grass the other day. She mows the grass for me. But I bought her a big ass lawnmower. She loves it. It's a mower. I've only ridden on it, I think, once or twice. They're good mowers. Love it. Yeah, so not really much happening. Like I said, cooking out in the shed. I wanted to get a fire going. We've got a nice roast piece of pork in there that we're going to go down the paddock and throw on the fire and do. It's good cold too. And yeah, but anyway, this will have to do us tonight. I've got this thing going and we're going to do a beef goulash. Love it. We're going to do it in the camp oven and throw it on here. I'm not going to film it all or anything. I'll film it throwing it on, and when we take it off in a couple of hours time, it's only about 3 in the afternoon, so it feels like it's 6 o'clock at night because this is about as light as it's been all day. So yeah. Alright, I'll do a couple of little videos of my goulash and that'll probably do it. Here's all the stuff going into our goulash. Joe's been cutting it all up. We're going to use mince. It's going in the camp oven. It is clean.
Because we saw a recipe on TV.
Yeah.
Used mince, so.
Yeah, it's a dodgy one. We normally use steak, but we just decided to throw this together because we can't put our roast pork in the camp oven down by the fire. Check this out. It's so nice in here. Yeah, she's been going all day. All day. Love it. We'll get all that in the pot and away we go. So there's the onions and the mince browned up. There's the caraway seeds all in the mortar and pestle. We're going to roast them a little bit, sort of. And stir them in. Did you get the spoon out? Let's grab the other ones in.
So this is just normal. Just a teaspoon of each, was it?
Yeah, throw a teaspoon in. What was that one?
That was the normal paprika. This is the smoked. And then old mate used Italian herbs, would you?
Yeah, throw that in.
She was.
And turn it down, Joe. Saved it. Caraway seeds, paprika, chili powder, Italian herbs. Turn this back on now. This one here. Chuck some. Probably not hot enough. We're deglazing the pan. Big heap of it right there, Joe, that you're missing. Just stock. Smells awesome. So basically we're just going to throw everything in there now, and we'll take her out and throw it on the pit. Alright, bit of Worcestershire sauce. There's 2 cans of tomatoes, 2 cups of stock. We've got celery, capsicum, honey. About that much. That's it. Take it out. We'll throw it on the Weber pit as soon as we can't have a fire. All good. Coals are nice and hot, ready to go. I sound like I'm yelling, but the rain's pretty loud out here in the shed on the roof. But tip them in. Sit him down. It's what you do when you can't have a fire. Get yourself one of these things. I bought that thing there. I got it like for $80 off a Gumtree probably 10 years ago. I got 2 of them now. I love them. If you can't have a fire and you want to cook in your camp oven, this is the next best thing. And the beauty of it is when it's shit weather like this, you can chuck it in the shed, as you can see. And yeah. And you're still getting that same sort of effect, you know. I love it. Like I said, I went and bought, I got 2 of them, fits perfect. Camp oven that size fits in there. And away she goes. It's an oven inside an oven. This is the old ones, it's got the old wooden handles on it. And they're the originals, they're all dried out. But I don't want to change them, it gives it a bit of character, you know. But anyway. Alright, time for a quick stir. See what's happening in here. Oh yeah. Pretty watery still, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's all good. If we have to, we'll flick the lid off for a little while. That'll do. It's rumbling. That's all we want. Done. Happy days. Get the mouse. Get the mouse. Do these ones. Oh, you come over a bit closer. You can see it from over there. Do that. Yeah, look at that. Probably still just a tad,
It smells good.
maybe watery for me, but I mean, you know, you chuck that over a little bit of pasta, it's going to be awesome, isn't it?
Mm.
That'll sit there and thicken up a little bit, like. Bang it off. Good thing about these old Webbers, you can shut that down now. Lid on. Close them off. Close off the bottom vents. They're closed. Those beads will just go out now and you can use them later. There it is. Goulash over pasta. Probably could have let it, you know, thicken up a little bit more, but it'll be fine. It's all good. Happy days. There's Jode's. She has a little bowl. There's a left in the pot. All right, time to tuck in. Happy days.